Oh, we just sit and wait. Okay, what? Okay. Well, I can see what my live videos are. That's awesome. I know what to do. Oh gosh, both of my things are lagging. Okay, I don't know if this lags or not. Oh my, I forgot my monitor's squared. Okay, I gotta move you guys. There we go. Oh, well, that ain't nothing, right? Come on, people, join. Can't wait for you forever. Wait, hold on. I can. I can have. Oh, let me test something. Wait, do I remember that you can allow yourself to have audio with StreamYard? This is like the first time ever I've done it. Wait. It should work, right? I'm not stupid. Wait. Okay. No. I don't know. Okay, who's ever on? Hi, welcome. Chat right now, I dare you. I don't know. I'll just say something right now. I'm bored. Also, I have to talk about why I haven't started my game yet, because it's very, very important. I have to share with you guys, and I can't do it over on Discord, because you guys won't understand. I hate when you people talk on Discord. You need to, when I'm live streaming, you chat on the live stream, not on Discord. Telling you that once and once only. Gosh, people. I don't have to sit here and baby you like a little baby. Okay, you are old enough to do it on your own. You know how to do it. Okay. You have to chat on the stream. That's how it works. I don't want you guys chatting on Discord because I get a lot of messages from Discord. So when I'm ever live streaming on actual live streaming, you chat on my live stream. If I'm just on Discord and I share my screen, then that's different. Nah, I win. I don't believe you. Okay, where's the video? Before I forget. Don't mind all of this. I customized my PC. It's okay. I might have downloaded a lot of stuff. Just saying. Where is my video? I swear I thought I had it. I have that video. Hold on. I think I know where it is. I don't think I have it downloaded. Oh, let me try my USB stick. PS1. Wait, 4, I mean. Yes, I have customized my device connected or disconnected sounds to PS4. And this is already lagging. Great, It's lagging everything right now. Why? Even Opera says that their whole browsers work just fine. And when I try it out on my PC, it sucks. It lags. The USB Wi-Fi connector that I have, it's trying its best, and it doesn't even work that great. Because so many people are using the Wi-Fi at my house. Like, I will sit here and search up something on Opera GX and it would not load. Every time I would get this strange symbol right here. This symbol will only pop up sometimes when there's an update, but this thing will only show up when I have very slow internet. Why? My PC does not need to rely on its core for Wi-Fi. It should not work like that. Like, I don't understand. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, here it is. Wait, do I have it downloaded? Do you guys see it? I don't. Please chat if you see it. You see imaginary neon cube _free. Please say yes. Because I do not see it. I want you to please say yes. I honest to God, I think I did put it in my downloads. I am not seeing it. But I'm looking. No? How do you not see it? Oh, I found it. It's right here. It's in the last week. Can you even see my screen? I had this set. SteamYard doesn't work on my Windows 8 laptop. It would only work on like a higher device. full screen layout. Oh wait, can you see that better? On my end, it's kind of blurry because this old TV that I have just sucks. I took it off my wall mount and now it's just blurry. You should see everything. My monitor does great on words. My old TV does not. So everything about it sucks. Okay, I have it. I did not see it. And I don't know if you guys can hear my desktop audio. Not like my microphone, but like audio in general. I know the background is on. I can turn it off. There. Now, can you guys hear anything when I'm plugging up into something? Because on my end, I hear something. Oh gosh, where's it gonna go? Oh, make it small. It's handling. It's okay. It's not lagging. What do you mean? So this one, this right here, I think I messed up on a part. I accidentally put an E in making. Is making plus 70? I don't remember if it does. Is it supposed to have an E in making? Because I feel like that's how it's spelled. I do not know. Type yes or no, I don't really know. Is that right? I don't know if that's spelled right. Okay, sub one in here. Oh my gosh. Dustball, can you hear me? Respond something, please. They're done.
What would you want to watch on here, Leo?
There we go. Better. No one's chatting. Please respond. Please. 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 Okay. That's all you gotta say. Well, that's something. Hey, Dustball, is making supposed to have an E when you spell it right? Is that how it's spelled? Or no? Is it supposed to be Making or Makeing? I don't know if it's spelt right. Did my dad just say it looks like China? Weird. Oh gosh. Ugh. I don't know if that's spelt right. But yeah, this is the coolest intro logo. I just need to figure out how to get Blender running because I can't get Blender running at all. I need a graphics card and a driver's support with OpenGL 4.3 or higher is required. Plugging all monitors into your primary graphics card might resolve this issue. Installing the latest driver for your graphics card could also help. So I can't use Blender at all. I gotta wait until I get a better graphics card, in which I do not want to wait that long. Okay, I do got Unity Hub. Unity Hub works, but it just does not want to install its installer. I may use Unity Hub because it does work. It does get me into the launch. Oh no, this may lag. I'm sorry, I do not have anything that's better. What is that? Oh. You guys can't send emojis, you know. My old TV doesn't. It's blurry. I can't see what emoji that is.
Quit going in there. You know you're not supposed to.
It's okay. My old TV is blurry right now. I can literally just show you how it's different. The whole thing is blurry with the HDMI plugged into its display port right now. My monitor is super clear. I can see everything just fine, but my TV was fine when I had it up on its wall mount. Now it's now blurry, and I don't know why. I just can't figure it out. Like, I can't even just change its like graphics, and I don't think Unity Hub opened either. So, yeah, that's great. Like, I can go to its graphics, go to its properties, and then show you how it works. Because I had the oh, I think I know what the problem is. I actually had to shrink it because when I plugged it in, my TV, it was stretched. Like the whole thing was just not displayed right, and I think that's why it's blurry. But I don't know why that could be because this is like a higher refresh rate, and it just opened Unity Hub. See what I mean when my PC lags? Yeah, this is kind of the struggle I go through. I need an upgrade. I can't live with this. Oh, gosh, everything's slow. Just love myself. Basic mode. There we go. Okay. Digital television. Well, I love that. I have it set to 56 to 56 for vertical and horizontal. This is what it well, I gotta change it to where it would show. Hold on. I would have to do my screen too. Uh-oh. I think I might have lagged it. Oh, there we go. So this is what it looks like. If I just set it, I have it set to stretch right now. It's at 100. I'm not joking. It literally is. And if I set it to 100, this is what it looked like. Well, for you guys, it's different. But for me, it's like weird. It's like it was set to this. Now I have to set it back. Because I think that's why it's blurry. I can't see. And this is what the second monitor, like the second thing looks like. It just doesn't have an application bar. Like I can't change my volume, access internet, microphone, like all this kind of stuff. Yeah, I do not have that. Also, the tool the search thing is already set to like my original monitor. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's pretty big.
Hey, both of you, stop it.
I did not mean to click
Both
that.
of you, stop it. Both of you.
So I'll try my Chromebook and see if it loads.
Fucking stop now.
Here we go. I'm gonna try it. Oh my gosh, it's lagging. Oh crap. Oh no.
What?
The microphone's lagging. Oh. No, this is lagging. Oh hey, it does show my little thing. Yep, you like old Chrome OS? Well, this is what I got. This thing is running like the same core as my PC right now. Literally, I'm not joking. This is running Intel HD graphics right now. That's the same core on my PC right now. Literally the same thing. My PC does a little bit better, but it sucks at gaming. I may have to get a graphics card. What is the best graphics card option that I can do? Like, I need to physically know. Like, I can't have like a 4090. It's too big. Because if I try to put it in my PC, it would just mess with my wires and it will break them. So I don't want that. I do have... Hold on, let me find it. Where'd it go? Here it is. Found it. So I may want to. Oh no.
You compared it to you. Oh, you did. You compared it.
Oh, there we go. I think this is kind of the struggle that I go through because everything just lags. My PC's not even rendering that my camera's on. This is kind of good. Good angle. What did I do? I have to stand though. I got it for Christmas. Something went wrong. My whole thing just broke on my PC. No, it's just being ensured that you're on internet. No, it did it again. But anyway, yep, this is what I got. It's this little graphics card. It does not fit at all. This thing's too big. And it's too small. I physically cannot put it in there. That thing does not work with a passion. I've tried everything. It just does not work. For some weird reason, it just does not fit. And yep, I have to reload everything. Yay. Like literally this graphics card that I have is a GTX 660 Ti. And it's from like Leva? EVGA? Is that the actual company name? Am I saying that right? Yes or no? Maybe? There we go. I hope this doesn't crash again. I will be sad if it does. Seems like it's working. Nope, it is like lagging. By the way, this is what I look like. Don't mind me. I look beautiful. And it. Oh, I forgot to add stage. I'm stupid. That's funny. I know what I'm doing. Oh, this camera is lagging. Wait a minute. I see something. My PC's rendering. Like, I see the little gray. Like the gray circle around it. It's like moving, but it's not rendering anything from the tiny microphone because I'm speaking into it right now. And it's not even registering. In the right port. It's in the microphone port. Why does this tiny golden microphone that I got does not work on my PC, but it works on my phone? Is it just meant for phone? I don't understand. Okay, how are we gonna do? So I got this working, so this is what my Chromebook is gonna look like. I dang it, so many notifications. Anyway, I do have maybe the GeForce on this Chromebook, but it sucks with the passion. Even with good Wi-Fi in the front room, sucks. I know I should be talking about my game, but I'm gonna try to run it on Chrome. But this is gonna be very, very difficult because I'm not good with PC because I don't play on PC, I play on mobile. Mobile is more better and I understand it than PC. This is why I don't play Roblox on PC because it sucks. Also, playing Roblox on this Chromebook sucks with a passion. The whole thing is a slideshow. 1 to 2 frames or 0 frames per second. That's all it does. Okay, so since it's going to be probably running a little bit, I think I got an idea of how it would work just with the. Let's see, I did that video of the main menu, right? And starting again. Oh my gosh, here we go. I got a baby here, guys.
Yes or no?
I have to say it loud so you guys can hear me for it. Yes, that was really close up to my Chromebook microphone. Yeah, you want me to be loud? I'll be loud. Okay, back to what I was doing. I did make the main menu video, right? So if I made that, then I made the studio intro. So I have 2 of those ready. I have the music ready. I just need to get a great idea of what I'm going to do. And if that was loud on that part, well, I am tired of no one answering me. I know I'm not as popular, but everyone that is subscribed to me does not join. They do not care. I will ban every single one of you on my Discord that you're subscribed to just for no reason. And I know one person that would join, and that's Dustball. Literally, my friends, I tell them to join, and they don't join whatsoever. Join the dang stream. I made it just for us. That's literally the channel name. Literally my nickname plus my friends. We share the same account. You should be able to enjoy your friend talking about something that they made and not just sit around and do nothing. Yes, I know you're Dustwall. And I think that's your real name on YouTube. So, yeah, just be careful. Okay, so I did make an imaginary cube, which was mine. So if I scroll down, I did make the final result of Koramaina Battlefront, my game. So I made that. Literally how it's working right now is it's gonna be a video, but it's gonna be inside of an actual menu because it looks like this. Now I did not tell anyone what it has in it. I made it with CapCut and did overlays, but I made it have a PS4 and a PS5 background with nothing on it. And I did not get a copyright strike from it because PlayStation is a big company, and it's also called Sony. Sony is basically PlayStation at this point. They'll make great stuff. They even have Sony Music Entertainment. That's literally Sony. What I'm trying to get here is that I took something from Sony, but it's technically on YouTube, so you can't get a copyright strike. Oh well. It was just from another YouTuber that recorded it with with nothing. I had to darken the images, and then I had to play them like this, and then I had to create a text with CapCut. Then I had this cool little GIF thing. I may change it in that star. I have to change that because it looks dumb. I just don't think it would fit. Oh crap! Did I not? So I made this. This is what the main menu, like when you first boot it up. This is what it's gonna look like. Yes, this is where you get to the start menu. This is where the start menu comes from. It has it has the logo, the name. It has press any button to start, which is going to be changed to an actual thing for different devices. Because a Chromebook is basically like a PC, but it's a laptop. So what my point is that this is going to be the start menu, and once you press start, it's going to have a nice little animation where it would just fade or something. I've been imagining about this because I do have like creativity, so I would think about something when I do it. Yeah, like basically me just saying about this. This is like the start menu. The start menu sounds great. I'm going to keep the own music, but I have to change the background. I do not want to get copyrighted or something like that, since you can get very sued about certain things, and companies won't like it. So I would have to change this to add like cool particle effects. Since with Blender you can also do that and do create lots of stuff. To answer your question, the music for the start menu is already in the video. I just had to make it like that because this is an idea. But the same music that's in the start menu is going to be the same. But I would just have to loop it if I ever want to make it into an actual game, because that's how companies do it. They actually loop it into a certain way. Yeah, yeah. They would have to loop it into a certain way, because that's why like certain Roblox creators do that, and then they'll cut it, and you can actually like cut it to a certain point, and then it would play. You know, this is going to be a very big project that I have to do, and it would take me like a couple like months and months. I like it. It's not easy to do this. A delayed game is eventually a good game, but a rush game is forever bad. Just remember that. Like, I can't rush on this at all. I want to get everything, like, not as perfect, but somewhat alright, you know? Since everyone actually liked the background music that I put in this video, and there was two different versions, but my friend chose the final result, which was very, like, weird. I honestly wanted to do the first version, but the second version looks cool, but I would have to change it because I did it twice in a row without copyright. I don't want to get. How many do you characters that you want to add to the game? Huh? Okay. Let me restate that. How many? Okay, you should have said how many characters are you wanting to add to the game? Well, I don't want to add like myself, because since my character is just a BB, people will mistake that as wrong. So I'll just use my normal self. And since I have a friend at school that can use a camera, we can use that to like a 3D model my whole body. But we would have to like render it all. I don't really care. It would probably be me, some of my friends. I'll have some other my some people that I've met in my life that join as characters. They'll have like roles. I would have to like make a whole script and like get their audio and everything and like do everything. Since you know how Rainbow Six Siege does their animations, they actually use the person that does the animation. They'll wear a suit. This suit can actually be rendered with the camera that the cameraman holds, and it would be recognized in Blender. So when you use that and you wear the suit with the camera, and the camera's detecting the suit, and you play the animation, you basically are creating the animation while you're wearing the suit. That's why Rainbow Six Siege, their company, they actually had someone doing it. That's why their animations are done like that. And also Call of Duty and Call of Duty, like all the Call of Duties, yeah, they're all made with wearing a suit that can actually detect your body. They'll also you have like a headband around your head so they can detect your face. But they want to remove that and put the actual character's face in. But basically, this is what it's going to be. I think I'm going to have some of my friends at school since I don't want to really use like an EV character that I'm always playing as. I think people will mistake it wrong, and I don't want that. Like, I'm just a lover of Pokemon, okay? I love it. It's just something that I do. I have a collection. Okay, I like doing that, and there's nothing wrong. But people mistake it as like something else. And my PC just did the same thing again. Why? So you guys basically get what I mean by like how it's gonna work. With everything and every detail, it's gonna be probably like the most Call of Duties that are realistic. Since Call of Duty 6 is like the most realistic game right now. Because the animations, the movement system, and also like the graphics of it. But Call of Duty's like stepped up their game with a lot of stuff. And I don't want to render like too much. I would have to get a better graphics card and a video card just for like streaming and stuff if I ever want to do that. I can like talk to like most people that are actual game developers, and they'll tell you that it's hard, like coding and animating and all that stuff. It takes like a long time just to get a game out. This is why like very little developers that are on Steam or something would rush on their game and it looks horrible. But some of them are actually worked on and they look great. That's why some of them like on Steam or Epic Games and like that are pretty much free because they're made from small developers. But it does take time though. Like it takes time. There is one game developer that I know that's called Lixian. Lixian is a game developer, also an editor for Markiplier. If you know who that is, that's another YouTuber. But he actually did Roblox Studio for the first time, and it was kind of different from how he codes and does all this with his team because he uses basically Blender and Unity because that's how he posts all his games. And now he does horror games, which most of his horror games are actually being loved right now. His one on Roblox got popular so quick that it was so good but hard to beat. There's like 6 endings badges, basically because it's Roblox. But there is one game that he made on Unity, which I do follow on, and it's like a YouTube channel because he is literally an actual game developer, and he's also on. I don't know what he's on. You can go to his YouTube channel, find him out, look where he's on. But sorry, I clicked on the wrong button. But basically, like Lexian, like is like working, like he knows what to do. I can use UVD in Unreal Engine because most people in the world use Unreal Engine to do stuff, but how to animate characters and stuff, you have to use Blender because Blender is the only way to animate stuff. That's why usually when I watch YouTube shorts, it's like Blender stuff. And sometimes my search history is about like how can I add this to like Blender or Robot Studio. Literally, that's my search history. Like being like a game developer is hard. It takes time, the work, the hours, the months, and years. It could probably take like a couple of months for me to actually release the first beta. Before it's officially released, it'll be sometime around somewhere because it takes a while. See, when you're creating a game, you have to learn the basics. You got to learn about the layout first. You got to learn about how the code works. You got to learn about how the stuff will work out. And you have to worry about like how the map would go and how these different objects will interact. So making a game. Let's say if I made a game, right? And I make something that like a character will pop out when a player steps on this little thing or steps through it. You would have to like code it into a way where it would actually work. Roblox Studio does the same thing, but their coding is different from Blender, Unity, and Unreal Engine because their coding systems are different. Java and what is it? Like JavaScript. JavaScript is used in certain browsers because this is why YouTubers use them to like make their closing source. Yeah, they use Java. Literally, they code on Java, and it's something that you can do on your browser too, but it's just going to be on like PC and laptop. If you have a laptop or a PC, you can do it. But on like on mobile, you can't because you do not have like the interaction button. But what you have to do is like if you want to like JavaScript and like a game or something for like a browser, you basically have to learn about everything because JavaScript is hard to learn. You can get these like desk mats that have JavaScript coding, and you can look at it and you see all the codes and stuff and how to do it. That's basically what like JavaScript does, but Unreal Engine and Blender are a little hard to work with. But with getting good at it, because Blender you can create realism physics. Like if I have a glass that has a face with zero faces, right? And if it lands on that ball, it would not create edges. Basically, if you see those shorts where if it shows how many faces it's got on that type of glass, it would not work. Basically, that's what Call of Duty and like all these other games that have realistic physics use because they have to matter on the physics and the polygons. Oh, you heard polygons? Well, polygons are what that helps it render everything about the rig. Yes, they're actually called rigs or the thing, or basically like the thing you're creating. You basically get what I mean. Polygons render everything about the body and like what edges it's got. If it has too many polygons, it would lag your whole PC. It's been done in like a Minecraft thing because there's like a Minecraft mod that has so many polygons for realistic capabilities. Now there is like a mod called Realistic Minecraft, but this is run in a certain blender, and it has so many polygons that it just does not render. I mean, like a game developer is hard and stuff. Like you got to know everything. It's not easy. You guys get what I mean, right? Oh, and a lot of music to bump it up. There you go. You guys like it now? I added music so you won't feel bored. Okay, yeah, you guys get what I mean. So basically, like what I'm saying is, if you want to become a game developer, it has to take time. If you rush at it, you won't get it done. You can talk to most game creators that create games. They say it takes time. This is why I have certain creators talk to me, because I actually have one YouTuber that talks to me and he's like uses Unreal Editor, basically Unreal Engine, to make Call of Duty Black Ops 3 maps. And they're pretty awesome, but they take time. Time, coding, and that's about it. You need to understand like how code works. Basically, coding is the hardest part because there's languages. No, I'm not meaning like English, Spanish, Espanol, Ireland's, whatever. Like, it's not that. It's actually language coding. It's real. It's a real thing. You can search it up. I don't know what the actual name could it be of, because it's kind of hard to pronounce what the actual language coding is. But language coding is something that you gotta know. And if you don't know language coding, like myself, basically I know certain codes, but it's not actual like languages that we speak. It's actually language coding. That's why I say coding, because it's an actual real word and it's actually used for stuff. One of my friends is actually good at coding, and he does Linux. Basically, he can code a bot with language. So you guys basically get all the idea, but I think the purpose here is to get it running on mobile and PC first. Then console console and VR. I don't think VR would work. I think just PC, mobile, and console. I think those are the only ones that would work. Because you need to understand everything and all that, and surprisingly everyone's interested in me. I've chatted it in different servers. People are hyped about it. I've already got the browser ready. I have all the website still up. I can show you what the website still looks like. Let me share my screen and share system audio, and then grab the screen, and then there you go. I know this is gonna be laggy, but forgive me. But what I mean is I have it made. Oh! Okay, let me... No! Oh, I almost tried to leave. I forgot I had to drag this, but I don't have any mouse, so... There's your question right there. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Alright, working? Okay, it is. So to answer your question, John, I'm not meaning language code like a character talk right in the game. That's actual language. Language coding is code that you write in a game. That's different from the languages that we speak. Language coding is an actual real word for code, because you can, when you're coding something, people will ask you what language coding are you using? What do you know? Not meaning English or Spanish or something like that. It's meaning something totally different. Well, technically you're wrong, but you don't get what language coding does because it's for coding like in Blender or Unreal Engine or something like that. But yeah, thanks for asking though. Like it's not technically right because for a character, I mean, you would basically have to have a microphone where the suit that would track your whole body and have a cameraman track your whole body so you can render it as a 3D model. So this is basically what the website looks like. I know, it's pretty, isn't it? I made this with using Google Sites is an actual thing that you can use for Google if you ever go on Google Chrome. I use this thing. This thing was actually works, but you can view it like on Discord. You can find the links if you find the links in the server or in the game server that I have because it's my other server. You can find this and just like check it out, but it uses like Google though. But it does work. It does. Okay, I can add simple things. It does work like a browser. Well, basically like a website, but it's like JavaScript, but you're using Google. So now I have to send out another big announcement to let you guys know that there will be another delay. I know, everyone's gonna be freaking out. Please give me time when you get a right graphics card, and I will let you guys know when I start. This is the time. Always can sneak peeks in the game server, the studio server basically, on Discord with the basically into the sneak peeks when I ever do get a chance. I will not be sending it into the main server. That main server is only for Roblox and stuff. The studio server is actually the studio server that I own. Okay, so you guys basically get the idea. So basically, I can actually put links in here. So with my website, I can actually put links in the work because Google allows that. I can edit this right now and show you where I can edit links, and it would just work. I have the picture, I have like the stuff for it, and I also have the testers. I want to have like a minimum of like 4 testers because I want to see how the game runs with 4 people. You know, so it's going to be exciting. So, I mean, I'm ready for it. Okay, let's see here. I think I'm gonna allow some people to like create music, but I have music already. So basically, you pretty much know how the game works. You can go visit the website right now. All it is, it's just gonna let you know, like, I don't think I can add, like, the actual game inside the browser. Also, this is trippy, what in the world? Okay. So, you can go visit to it, you can check out, like, all the stuff, like, all that. I will have the options to where you can download it, and it would take you to, like, Steam, Unreal Engine, like, Epic Games or something like that. I would basically post like links on the website so you can guys download the game. I just don't know if you can actually convert it into a file because most games you can actually like play in your browser, but you can play it and download it and put it in separate, just like Google Chrome, because you can do that for some reason. So what do you guys like want for an option? Because I know how to do it on mobile. Because mobile's pretty easy. You just have to like it would be already be in an app for like Android or an iOS. I would probably make it an app for PC and console if I wanted to. Because I don't know if I can do disc. I will think about doing disc for my game because no one's asked me that. Like, does anyone here in this stream have a console in their home? Raise your hand. Or, like, say yes. Because I have, in my household, we have a PS5 and a PS4. I do. What's yours? Yes, I do. I do know you have one, Sean, but I'm meaning like an actual game console, like Xbox or PlayStation. Nintendo Switch doesn't count. I will think. Oh, you have a PS4. Nice. Still rocking the PS4. I still like the PS4. I mean, since the PS5 has already got an update with our 30th anniversary, and it's still ongoing for some reason. The PS5s haven't updated, but this is like a limited time right now that you can get a PS5, and it would be updated to like the 30th anniversary, and it would boot up from the PlayStation 1. But you can customize like your whole like thing, and it would be like a PS4 basically, and PS3 and PS2 and PS1. Do you think it's like a great option to put it like on Xbox, PS4, and Nintendo Switch? Because I feel like that would be a great idea. You guys agree? Because I feel like I'll make it for like you can download it, but you can also play like the actual game and play like offline. You can play like different game modes offline if you wanted to. Like add. What does that say? Yes, add a lock-in feature. What does that mean? Please explain. I don't know what a lock-in feature means. Wait, are you meaning like oh, did you mean like add like disc to everything, like to console? To console? Do you mean disc instead of lock? I don't know what lock means. My game is not gonna cost anything, just except for like the disc version if I ever wanted decided to. Because if I make it for like PS4, you can basically have the disc. Yes? Oh, okay, you meant disc. Okay, yes. I think I'll think about it. I think it will be a great option to make it a disc. I would have to have some help. Because putting it on disc and you release your game, the game disc will be sold out very quick. And I don't know how many copies I can make. But basically, if you like get the disc version, basically, and you have it like installed, I want to make it to where if you have it installed, you can play it without the disc. But I don't know how companies would react to that. Because with Nintendo Switch, you can play any game. Like, great, good, it works. But I will allow offline play when you're out and about. Because that will be one of the features of my game, because I will allow offline play. And also you can like do stuff, like probably add bots to like multiplayer or something, have like your friends play, you know? Like, it would be crazy. I don't know about split screen for console. Because like, I know for split screen is like cool and all, but you have to like get a bigger TV just to play on it, bro. Like, it's crazy. I'll think about it. If you guys agree for me to putting it on disc, I will be appreciated to do it. But I want also users to like download it online too, so they can play it offline. Get what I mean? Because Call of Duty is like dumb. You basically have to have internet for everything. I don't like the newer Call of Duty. The newer Call of Duty is stupid, but I like Modern Warfare 3. It's good, but I just hate online. So you guys agree. Well, if you guys really agree on it, I will just say yes. I'll make it for Xbox, PS4, and then Nintendo Switch as well. Because I actually want to test it out. Because, I really want... I have a Switch now. I have a Nintendo Switch Lite. I want to try it. Like, I know Nintendo allows some shooter games. But I would have to make it kid-friendly. So, for, like, Nintendo Switch, it would have to be, the Nintendo Switch version. Because usually they did that like with Minecraft and all. Because when Microsoft made Minecraft and basically Minecraft is owned by Microsoft, but it has like versions and it would say the version name for the console. For me to put it on Switch, I basically would have to put it like Nintendo Switch version or an edition. The edition sounds better. Since there is going to be like different additions to it, like the school version edition, because there's going to be a school version that I'm going to add for schools, because I want it to be connected to my game. So there will be like different versions for this, and it would be on separate consoles that you can play with. I know that the Nintendo Switch sucks right now because its graphics only rely on the actual Nintendo company actually making their own games, and it looks great, but like on Fortnite or something, it looks bad. But yes, I will add a disc version for PS4 and PS5. Let's see here. Xbox. Now, I'm not a big fan of the newer Xboxes. Like, the one with the digital version sucks. The newer consoles suck. You know why? Well, because you need to have a pass for everything that you can play on offline for no reason. Literally, you can buy yourself a newer Xbox and then try to play Minecraft. You need a premium pass. Or Xbox Live, basically. Xbox 360 did better. You literally just got Xbox Live. Oh, I got Xbox Live. Yay, I can play. Why is Xbox so weird? Why with things? Like, you don't need money. You have enough money enough. I'm just gonna say it right now. They're poor. They want money. They just need to stop being greedy about their system, because if you try to play something that you want to play offline, you have to get a pass. Like, no one needs that. No one needs that money. You just need to stop being poor. Literally, my school that I go to, literally it costs extras some days to even get extra food. I'm like sitting there for like $1. What is wrong with my school? School food should be free. You should give seconds to every kid if they don't feel full enough, and it's totally unfair. I know my school. I work in the library. Yes, it's kind of fun. Yeah, you basically get to be in high school, you get to do all these kind of things. But paying for crap like extra food is not a good idea. Literally the updates on the game. Yes. Since... oh gosh. The disc version will have to wait. Because I don't know how the disc version... Wait, no, the disc version can update when you have it installed. I have like an MW3. The pizza at school be hard. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, hey, hey. We don't like that word. We don't use words like that. This is a friendly channel. We don't do that here. We don't want none of that word around. Okay? There will be no cussing on this stream in this channel. There will be no bad words that are related to real people because you can get copyright strike. And never do that again. Just saying. But you're kind of right because pizza is kind of hard. But like my school will buy Pizza Hut because our pizza where I live tastes like cardboard sometimes. Like the pizza will be like I think they cook the pizza for like a day and then they'll leave it in the fridge and then they'll take it out and cook it again and it will feel hard. Have you eaten pizza like that? For like leftovers? For a day? To answer your question, Sean, yes, but I think about the disc because Modern Warfare 3, when we put that disc in, it actually it just brings us to the Call of Duty HQ. For some reason, like it does update. I just gotta make sure that it would work on my game if I ever want to make it. Exactly. Yes, this is what I'm saying. Like, my school has bought like a pizza here. It's tasted good for like the last year. It tastes good. Well, basically because it was 2024. It's 2025. Wake up, people. But anyway, like the pizza was like good, but sometimes they'll probably cook it again. Like they grab it, oh it's nice, fresh and warm. They put it in the freezer, save it for leftovers, and they grab it out. Have you guys not tried that? I do that. I actually do that. Like no joke. I would eat it and it would taste like cardboard. But sometimes the pizza that we get here, we have Hut's, the Godfather's pizza. Oh man, that's so good. Casey's pizza. Oh my gosh, amazing. DiMaggio's. Oh, they're talking about pizza, man. That DiMaggio's pizza, yes. Take me there immediately. We also have Mimo's, but it's not here where I live. It's in like another town or city. Basically, if you search up where North City is, it's right close to Koramaina where I live. But North City has actually got Mimo's pizza. Mimo's pizza, oh my gosh. Their crust tastes amazing. Yes, I'm talking about pizza crust. No, not booty crust. Not that weird. But like Mimo's pizza, oh my gosh, have you not tried it? That stuff is so good. Like they may actually make their pizzas right. Literally, I went there and they made their food just right. 10 out of 10. Their food is actually amazing since their pizzas are a little thin, which I kind of don't like. I like pizza a little thick because if you just have you heard of the dip dish pizza before? Like you've eaten a normal pizza, pepperoni pizza, right? You have the sauce under it because that's the first layer. Then you have all the toppings and cheese. Well, for deep dish, the toppings and cheese are under the whole sauce, and the sauce is on top of it. That may sound weird, and it may sound like it's not real, but it actually is. It's actually called dip dish pizza because the sauce and the toppings are flipped. The toppings and the cheese, like pepperoni and stuff, are on the bottom, and then the sauce is on top. Top that with Parmesan cheese, and you're good to go. Literally so delicious. I actually had hamburger pizza. It was an actual thing because the pickles on it, oh my gosh, they were delicious. But I've never seen the exact hamburger pizza when I was little, so we haven't really I haven't really found the exact one. It was sweet too because it was good. But back to my game though, like basically like I would have to talk to companies to like release my game because you have to get like a business and everything and all that. Like it takes time just like a company to respond to you. Because they will send messages to you and you will have to read the email like for something that went wrong or something. But basically I would have to talk to companies. Yes, I would be a very busy man. And it would take a lot of work just to do all this. But to answer my friend Sean's question, yes. There will be updates. I believe I will update it. Yes, I will update on you guys on Discord. And I will also put a game trailer sometimes for like an update trailer or a game trailer to let you guys know when it will come out. You guys can ask me when it will come out. You can go right ahead. I just gotta do something real quick. Let me figure out something. Right. So if it's January the 2nd, 2025, and I wanted to start all my game and stuff in like 2024, it would basically. Wait, hold on. Let me share my screen real quick. Because if you search this up, crap. Okay, don't scare me like that, dude. You just scared the crap out of me.
Nerf blasters.
Nerf blasters? Where?
What?
Where? Which ones?
Look.
Ooh, damn.
Check those.
Okay, so don't mind my cousin coming into my room. I know he's very little. I have 2 cousins. I actually have a lot of cousins in my family. I'm not joking. Okay, so what I want to show you what I mean is when I search up. Let me search up something here. I'm gonna show up like search up like guys like GimKit or GymKit, however you call it. It's the dude named Josh. He created it, and it started as a game project. But it actually turned out to be an actual learning tool, basically because like these like GimKit, Kahoot, and all that stuff. If you played it in school, basically it's like a learning tool for like teachers. But you can search it up and you can see what the date is. Now let me show you when was GimKit released? How do I spell release? Hold on, don't ask me stuff. I know how to spell it. I know how to spell release. It's RELSE. This. But basically, if I search like game something up, and you would see the date on like Google or something, basically Google would know, like because you posted on like somewhere. Well, here we go again. See what I mean? Basically, if I try to search up GimKit, great. Oh my gosh. Why does my PC do this? Do you guys know what the problem is? Like, can you guys, like, know what the problem is? Why does my PC, like, not work? My Chromebook is handling SteamYard just fine, but the whole thing itself on my PC is not handling it. It keeps reloading and saying that my, the site can't be reached or something. Oh, something went wrong. Like, my little USB Wi-Fi connector's not working right. So, what is going on? I need help. Physically. I'm gonna get another person in here for you guys, because I feel bored. Yeah, so Dustball, you're kind of right, because that's how you basically code. Basically, what you set in the game project is basically how it works in, like, Roblox. You don't know how my PC does that. Well, I don't know either. I would have to get my other friend in here. Hold on. For some reason, my PC keeps detecting the mic. I have the tiny microphone plugged in, but it does not work. I tried talking to it, and it doesn't even show anything. There we go. I'll try to get one of my friends that are actually smart on me. Let me invite them. There we go. What? Okay, I'll get another person in here for you guys in the chat, I guess. Why does Discord keep saying that there's a new audio device connected? I have my TV. I have my little, speakers put up. Let me get one of my friends in here. Surely he doesn't know what to do. You guys can't see my screen because every time I share it, it just lags. Oh, wait, hold on. Wrong person. I sent it to the wrong person. But basically, like, this whole stream has been talking about my game. Like, some of you guys don't even know how, like, stuff works. You can watch how other creators do it, and, like, tutorials and stuff, which is pretty fine. Like, when you know, like, to know the basics if you want to make a game. My honest opinion to start off to make a game is use Unity, because Unity is easy to do, and you can create a lot of things. Because Unity is used for, like, certain games, and it's pretty cool. But you can't do it on mobile. They don't allow mobile. A lot of companies that use like game engines and stuff have to be on PC and laptop. Only if it has a good enough OpenGL or something like that. I don't know. Let me get some more people in the stream. Okay, so, like, basically, if you want to create a game, you basically have to learn about, like, the layout, how it's gonna work, and you have to create. So basically, how game communities do it, like, for instance, Hold on. Someone messaged me. So, like to create a game communities like Call of Duty, uh, they plan it out. So basically, you have a lot of people. You have animators. You have sound effectors. Sound, sound effects. Okay, you have to have SFX, or basically people that can do them. You have to have like producers and all this stuff. You have to have a lot of people. That's why in credits, there's like a lot of people. For me, I don't know how the credits will work because our studio is a very small server. But to like create a game, you have to get like your whole like company, like the chat. You'll have to have meetings. You have to basically tell them like, hey, you gotta do this and that. But basically, you have to. I keep getting interrupted, and it's not from you guys. Okay, back to what I was saying. So like, you have to have like your company chat. You have to have like company meetings, and when we do start, I will have company meetings. I will want you to come, or I'm just not gonna do anything with you, and I actually mean it. Like you when you have like your community like your company meetings and all that, you have to come to it. It's an actual real thing when you're in an actual company. For me, we're actually doing it, and we have to plan stuff because usually companies will draw out like layouts and stuff. They'll have to like write everything down. There usually be like leaks and stuff and all that. I don't care. Once a leak showed, then people will know what it is. Right? I mean, you guys get what I mean, right? When you ever want to like create a game, you have to have like certain people to be with you because you can't do it all by yourself. Like actual game creators will actually do it, but they'll have to have some help. They can't do it all. They're smart at doing all the rest of the things, but they cannot do it individually. That's why I'm the owner of this. And yes, I will give credit to everyone that helped. Right. Yeah, that's basically what I'm saying. For to like make a game, you have to plan out certain things. That's your first step. Before you add any updates to your game or make your game or to start to make your game, you have to plan it out. Basically, the sneak peeks or the leaks that I showed you of what my game could look like eventually is actually true, but I would have to change certain things to not get sued. Because basically you can get sued with a lot of things if you add certain things and not giving credit to like companies. So basically, like you gotta know everything. You gotta plan it out. You also gotta get like you can basically draw out what your ideas can be, and it would have to work. Once you have all the ideas, then you can start with the layout, and then you have to like do all this process, and then you have to test it to make sure it works. Do it. Go back to the first step to go back to like the layout to see if everything rendered fine, and then do the second step again to see what's wrong with it because you had to go from layout the first step to like the fourth step. You gotta make sure that like you have all your layout and stuff, and then the second step you gotta make sure like you got it coding. Okay, I got like the first step done. Now I just need to code this and all that stuff. Then the first step, you test it, and if it doesn't work right, you go back to step 2 or 1 to see what was wrong. Hey, we got 3 people. Welcome. It's what I'd love to hear. What is that? Unicorn Rain. I told you no emojis. They're not allowed because my old TV does not is blurry right now. So with like words and emojis and stuff that are tiny, I won't be able to see it. It's okay. But basically, if you weren't listening, Rain, we're gonna be. I talked about my game, so basically, I talked about my start menu. I showed that. I may have to change it because since it is an actual video right now, I would have to change like the aspect of the start menu. Because that's basically the start menu when you first boot up the game, and it would be forever like that. Basically, the background and stuff, I did not tell you guys that was from. It was used as an overlay in CapCut because I added it in CapCut. The 2 overlays in the background are PS5 and PS4 backgrounds. I didn't get a copyright strike or nothing about it. It's just that I don't want to get sued if I ever do it and make my game. Because it's an actual thing that you can do, and it's very, very wrong if you do it. Like, you have to be careful with certain things. So basically, like, you gotta, like, I have to change, like, the start menu a little bit. Add like some cool effects to it and then get like everything ready. Did anyone notice that I spelled making MAKEING wrong in the our studio intro? Because I had someone fix me in like ping me in another server that it's spelled MAKING. Does anyone here know if that's spelt right? I need an answer. Because I'm kind of curious if I spelled it wrong. It's okay if you don't. You can what? Yes? Wait. I spelled it wrong. Wait. So you're meaning to tell me I spelled it wrong? But that doesn't sound right. It sounds like make. Oh wait, the E silent. Oh. If you even take out the E still sounds like it. Make. Oh, I did spelled it wrong. Okay. Because the E is silent and then you still sound it. Okay, yep, I did spell it wrong, but I will change it. Or something like that. I may have to like create an actual one. But that's like a video right now. What should I do? I think my best option is to like make someone recreate the studio logo. Do you think that's a better option? Instead of that video that I sent with the watermark on? Because I think that's better. But if I change it. Because I don't want people finding out that I used a video. Basically animating something is a video, but I don't want it to know like I used like another website that has a watermark and it shows them. I don't want to actually get like in trouble or anything. Yeah. Okay, you guys agree that I should make something. Okay. So what best idea supports this? Like how should we make it? Any guesses? Comment on anything. I do not care. We just need to figure out how the imaginary cube would be remade. Because I don't want it to be the same. I want it to be different and then have like a cool sound effects to it. Like basically our studio name, like the name would be in 3D, but it would go around the screen and would reflect. You know how like PlayStation's newest studio logo looks different? Yeah, I kind of want that idea, but I want it to be where it actually reflects, like the light reflects on one of the sides. Give me hints right here because I'm kind of curious what you guys think. I'm waiting. Yeah? Are you just saying, yeah, like, give me ideas? Nah, I win. Okay, well, what should I have someone remake the studio intro because I cannot use that? What should I use? Because I want to use like PlayStation. PlayStation's studio logo looks different, and it's pretty cool. But I don't want to copy them. I want to make my own version. But I can't right now because my PC can't like handle all that rendering. I have no idea because I don't own a PS. You don't own like you own a PS4, but you don't own a PS5. You wouldn't like know what I'm talking about because Astro's Playroom for the PS5 has actually got their own new logo, and I can't animate for life, so not me. Okay, yeah. I've never used a PlayStation ever. What do you have? I have a Nintendo Switch, but I have a Xbox 360 that doesn't work no more because I don't have the power cord. But I have a PlayStation 5 and PS4. Oh yeah, baby. Still rocking it. So, who can animate in here? If you guys got some people that you know who can animate for me, please message them or something. I don't know anyone who can animate. Do you not have anything in your friends at all on Discord? Just only me? Sadly. Uh-huh. Okay. I don't even know how you guys don't even know anyone who can animate. I literally have like a one YouTuber talking to me, which I hardly get talked to by him. No, it's just none of them are deads. Hey, are you serious? That's insane. Literally crazy. And you just hear it. I'm serious. Okay, I believe you. because there is no way for like, how do you not know people that can animate? There's even popular ones. How do you not know that? There's popular YouTubers that are actual devs. How? How does no one know that? Like, am I the only one? Is it just me? Also, you want to hear this on my PC? If I can find my USB stick. Oh, USB stick, where are you? I lost my USB stick. I don't know where it went. I also changed the sounds on my PC so it sounds like this. Oh no, did it just crap out me again? Ah! Oh. USB device not recognized. Okay, I think it's my USB Wi-Fi connector. I have this in, and then my Windows Explorer keeps recognizing like the USB. But the USB, you just plug it in, and it will know any network, and it will connect to it. Like, who in here has a PC? I know Rain does. Who else? Me and Rain. Who else has one?
Who are you talking to?
Huh? I'm talking about my game on YouTube.
What?
I'm explaining how my game will work on YouTube because I have my friends joined on my stream. I was talking about it and see how like the mechanics will work and everything. Oh, and my PC did it again. Why? Why does it not work? You guys still with me? Oh. Oh, let's see here. I don't really know. Like, I'm thinking about putting it like my game on disc, since it will be on like console and everything. PC and mobile is pretty easy, but you just gotta like figure out how it would work and all that. Yeah, I can tell. You're all here. That's good. I want you to stay here. You know what? I'll play one of my songs. Be happy. Okay, but you guys understand what I mean, right? Like how my game will work. You basically know what I'm going to be doing. You basically know how it would work. For mobile, it would be different because it has to have mobile buttons. Because the mobile version would be different from like PC and all that because you don't have those overlays and those GUIs. For mobile, it would be different so it can run. Since certain Android devices can actually run games at a higher frame rate and some Android devices that are old can't. But basically, I would have to make it run. Yeah. Okay. You guys basically understand. I'm trying to get my PC working. Anyway, but yeah, like it would have to work on mobile if I want it to work on mobile, because you basically create the game and you have to make it as an app as well. for being it like you can actually use it on like multiple platforms, so you can download it on your laptop or your PC. Since they're both the same thing, they'll both be on like PC, like all that, you know. I will let you guys know when the game trailer comes out, but I would have to have some help animating it and stuff because I can't use Blender right now. And I would also have to let my friend come over and like capture like my whole body and stuff. But we would have to like buy the suit ourselves. Because like you wear it and you have to have like the cameraman detect it as well, because it would detect your body as well. It would detect your movements. Because it's got these little white things on them. It would detect like it knows motion. Like those are sensors. Like it knows how to detect the body when you're rendering it as a 3D model. As a 3D model. But basically, like to make it work like that, you would have to like run it as an animation or like a little thing, because you have to get like a team. Now, how Rainbow Six Siege does it, they had to get a team. They had to get a team to do this in real life. It actually worked. And then when they did certain things, they would actually show. Now you can actually use the camera to actually show objects in real life, and you can also add them right there to make it where it can actually look like you're actually pulling up something or not. For VR, I just watched like a random like short on YouTube last night, where there is realistic finger physics. Like the finger would actually detect in like real life and stuff. But I don't think I want to put it in VR, since I tried VR on Roblox and it looks weird. I don't want to do it. It scares me. Like I don't want to do like that. I know there's certain games that you can do, but putting it on VR is going to be like difficult because you have to code it. Coding it in like VR is going to be difficult. Like you need to know how it works, and you have to have a headset to see if you can like test it and everything. It's not simple to put it on VR. Most games that are actually shooters and they actually work are hard. I played Population 1. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a cool VR game. Like you can actually climb. Literally, but I can't like do that for like VR. VR scares me sometimes. Because I can't have like the loading animation, because I've seen games load on the Oculus and it just shows the logo and all you see around you is nothing, because the full logo stretches out from like the middle, but it's so big that it goes from top to bottom and you look and there's just a void. The VR probably going to be hard to do. Yes, I am not doing that. It's a big no. I'm not coding that much. Obviously, I don't want to code VR because it would be too hard, and I don't want to like do it all because I want it to run in like console and all. Oh, my computer's not running. But anyway, yeah, I don't want to do it on VR. Alright, I've looked at games. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Just no. Nope. No way. I would probably run a test for it, but no, I would not do it. There's no way for me to do it in VR. I would have to have lots and lots of people. And also lots of like companies to help me too. Because I would have to grab companies. Join as a calculation, because it's literally my game as well. PlayStation made Astro's Playroom and Astrobot by themselves. We're great at it. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure that the music was playing. But basically, like, if you watch creators, how do they code stuff in VR? It's a little difficult. no VR stuff. If you ask me to put VR stuff, I'm just gonna walk out and leave. Like, there's no way for me to do it. I can't physically do that. Like, VR is cool and all. Like, you can like physically mess with things and like have like realistic like physics and stuff. Like, I don't want to do all that. Like, I don't want to have like all that added and stuff. Like, you can do VR, but it would only be VR that you can do stuff. But it's so hard to code stuff because you have to use the controls to move or your body movement. But I don't want to do that. Like, you have to physically like, press a button and then move. Like, you know how to do that. Love this song, by the way. This is awesome. So I do got this copyright-free game trailer because I can use this to like to make the trailer and stuff. Now I will play it and let you guys listen to it. This like trailer teaser is like awesome. Like, this is made up by a random YouTuber that makes these, and this music is so good. I may use it to make the game, but since like game intros have like voice and dialogue, I don't know how that would work. I will make it run on Chrome, but I don't know about the older devices. I don't think I want to run it on my own Chromebook because it doesn't work right. Yes, I have something playing. It's called Opera. Also, I don't know what to sponsor anymore. I feel like sponsoring stuff is kind of hard. Listen to this. This is awesome. So good. Like, this is this a yes or a no? Is this W or L? Like, tell me, guys. Like, this is good. Put some W's in the chat if you think yes. Put some W's. Put them. Is this good? I'm saying a straight W. Is it a W or no? W? Ah, yeah. It's a W. I think it sounds great. W, yeah. Give me some W's in chat. Oh, you put 3 W's. Oh. Yeah, you guys like it. I'm kind of surprised. Like, I found this randomly, and I'm just gonna save it for like the trailer. There will be also 2 different ones. There's gonna be a short version where like a 20-minute version, a 20-second version, I think, or like a 1 minute. Oh my gosh, what did you guys say? I can't view it right now. Hold on, give me a second. I'm trying to add a song. Stop it. I want to add a song, please. Please, I want to add a song. Please. Please. Thank you. Give me a second, guys. I'll be right there and check the comments. Give me a second. I don't want to put anything that's copyright. I'll be there in a minute. Hold on, guys. I'll come check out what you said. W, yeah. Wait, Sean, you put it again. Why? I know it sounds good. Okay, guys? Yes. I will make the game trailer. I will have some voices. I don't know if I can grab some of you that are not nearby me. Because I can only have, like, me and my friends and then certain people. Because there will be, like, not a lot of dialogue. There will, like, be certain types of dialogue and cutscenes. And all that stuff, since I'm already working on my Roblox game. Okay, my PC's not loading anything. That's great and lovely. Okay, but you guys do like understand the layout of the game. I will put it on disc. Because I have to play a song before I end the stream because I don't want to waste my stream storage. Because I want to if YouTube tries to claim this song copyright, I'm gonna go and swear to them. I am gonna go to their company and destroy everything that they have because this song is mine. And if anyone steals it, I will find you. Just kidding, I won't because I'm not this smart. But like, what do you want, Sean? Like, because I want to what? I don't understand what half of the words you didn't put. I'm busy right now. Streaming, what do you think I'm doing? I'm streaming with my friends because my friends are watching this right now. What do you want? What tablet? What big one? The iPad? Why do you keep asking me about it? I don't have my iPad. I gave it to Dad. Literally, I don't want to use it because I don't like iPads. I like Android tablets because Android tablets are better. And they have cool features. Go find it somewhere. It's not in here. I do not keep it in here because I do not like it.
Can you use the phone?
Yeah? Shut my door, please. I'm streaming. Yes, I have to use my thumbprint. Go get it. Well, I don't know what either. You can't ask me. Hold on. To say W. What do you mean? Sean, what? Dude, if you want to type like me, you got it. You took in this class. You took in a class of me typing in some. Okay, you squeaked my door. How could you? You're my mic. do you mean, never mind? You said because I went to and then didn't finish that, to say W and then you didn't finish that, and then you say never mind. You took in a class, like, you type very good. How do you not finish your sentence? I gotta mute my mic real quick. I've been streaming for like 2 hours, man. That's a big leap. So, are you trying to name some your let me guess, like how can I put it? Like you want to do something for my game? Am I correct? I don't know if that's a yes or a no. Oops. So, are you guys whining to chill right now? Because since I have told about everything, but I won't say everything officially, like leaks and stuff and like stuff like that. I wouldn't be able to like say all of that because I don't want to. So you do, guys. I want to try to say what. I tried to say what to say W. Sean, I will tell you this. You will be added to the game as a character. Since you are my closest friends, I will add some people of the others into here. We may have to get a voice changer or like another voice actor to do your voice, since your voice sometimes people can't understand, which is okay. But we may have to like get a voice actor for you. Oh, you're fine. You're like fine, but it's just like I don't think people will understand what you're saying. I can add subtitles, but I don't know if the subtitles would actually pick up your words. Not be like being mean or anything, I just think that it wouldn't pick it up because we may have to get a voice actor. I got my own voice and the voice actor of me. Ryan will be his because he's going to be a pilot in the game. He'll also be driving one of the Blue Angels jets, or like that sometimes in like certain missions. But when we're like when he's taking us somewhere, we're gonna have like this big drone deal. Yeah, okay, yeah, you agree? Okay. Since you agreed on that, yeah, I would have to because I can't do it all. Also, I'm the voice actor of myself. Ryan will be a voice actor for himself. I don't know who else I'm gonna add, but I will add like certain cutscenes in like real life, and we'll like do it, and then I would render it, and then we will do it. And add certain parts, but we would have to go out and like in the country or something to add like certain details and stuff, and like certain missions to do certain things. Since the cutscenes are going to be like done in real life and then rendered in Blender. And I think that sounds good. Well, like what I'm trying to say is I may have to get like different voice actors for like certain type of people that care. Like you're right, I don't know who to add else. I just gotta figure out who to add because I will tell you this, guys. This will be an actual indie game since like Call of Duty has like teams and stuff, and like they have certain like operators. Well, for mine, there's two, and one of them is the actual evil, like the bad guy's side. They actually got Cora, Q. It's actually got a Q in there instead of K because K and Q get mixed up because Cora and Cora. Okay, yeah, they sound the same, but they're spelled different. But yeah, they're called Cora with a Q, not a K. Q. And then the EV company, which, yes, I know, it's gonna have the word in it. But the EV company is a thing I made up back when I first started doing YouTube. And that video is long gone, so I cannot retrieve it no more. But it was a little short stories that I did on CapCut, and I did like animations and stuff. But I wasn't good at animating, so I just did like text, you know? Like I just put words on there, and then the color would show the certain character. I don't know how many chapters. I think there will be like 11 or 15 chapters in like in each season that will be in my game. Since I'll use the campaign and I'll start working on the campaign first. Now the campaign won't be ready until the first beta, until I get the whole season 1 done. Because that would be the start of like chapter 1, so like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all that. 10 sounds like a lot, you know? You think 15 chapters in like one season in my game would be enough? So like the next season can like capture like can go and continue the base from like the first season. You guys agree? Guys? Hello? Okay, but you guys do agree that I should add seasons, right? In like chapters? Since I want it to be like something that like you can finish on, since yes? Oh, you guys agree on it? Oh, you think oh, okay. Well, I'll surely add that. Because like with Battlefield Hardline. Have you ever played that game like on the PS3 or the like Xbox 360 or something like that? Have you played Battlefield Hardline? You see how like they do episodes? It's basically like a TV series, but it's a game. Oh, you have? Wait, you know that game? Have you played it before? You've played this before. I played it. I've actually beaten it like several times. I will keep beating it. Like I'm trying to get gold, but it only worked on my uncle's Xbox since he had a hard drive in his and mine doesn't. That's why you can tell the difference. His disc tray is broken. My brother broke it by accident. I had it sitting up on its side because the 360s could snap on their side. Okay, what's your favorite episode from Battlefield Hardline? There's only 1 to 10. And 1 to 10 keeps repeating itself every time you reach it. 10 will reach to 1 because you keep going. My favorite part is probably let's see here. I am very sneaky in games because I know stealth. Episode 4. Now, which one is episode 4? Because I do not remember. I'll give you a minute to find out, but I don't even know what mine is. I think it's I think it's episode 10. Because I feel like Battlefield Hardline could continue the story, but it didn't. They never did. It was so cool though. I think I have a delay from YouTube and SteamWorld, which is okay. I don't care. What's episode 4? Basically, I don't remember the name. Episode 10 was my favorite because it just ends like that. How? It just needs to continue. Yeah, the game developers are always leaving good projects. It's fine. Battlefield Hardline should have continued and made how episodes, they should have made season 1 and then that was the season 1. Then they should have made 2. But Battlefield Online, I've seen my dad play it, online play, and it was pretty good because online play on Battlefield Hardline, oh my gosh, that is so cool. I love Battlefield. The Battlefield games are so cool. Battlefield 2442, I think, is a good game. I played it. Oh man, that is such a good game. I would never leave Koramaina alone until I die. Even if I make a new game, I'm still keeping up with the project. You guys will be happy with my game. I will keep continuing to update it, and I will do everything for it until I die and give it to someone. Listen guys, I will never give up on my project. Even if it takes so long to do, I will still do it. Just for you. I'm a game developer. I will do everything just to keep my game alive and get happy people. Even if I make mistakes, I will fix it. I just want this game to be good, okay? Yes, it will be kind of like Battlefield Hardline a little because of the, like, adding, like, seasons and, like, chapters, you know? Like, Season 1 will be having 15 chapters. I just don't know about if I want to keep, like, 15. Because for Battlefield Online, 10 chapters is, like, a lot. Okay? I'm gonna end the stream soon, so like you guys can stay here for a little bit, but like you guys gotta understand, like you know how it's gonna work. I'll guys keep you updated on the project, and I'll let you know when I ever give ownership away. But my name will still stand on this game until I die and give it away to someone else. Then I will physically have a list for them. They will keep the game running until they're just there, you know. I will have to end it, you know, like play some music for a little bit, and then I will have to end it, you know. Basically like this.
Airstrike. Bomb them. Bomb them. Keep bombing them. Bomb them again and again.
Yeah, basically. But I'll keep you guys updated with everything. I'll just play some music and I'll go get me something to eat if someone else ever joins. But I do guys want to let you know that I will host something in Discord for you guys to play. I'll probably host like a game kit or something that you guys can play. If you guys are interested to like play some like one of my game kit games, you can. I'll host like a stage, you know. Basically, I'll have you come up and play. You can do whatever. I don't understand. I'll just play some music. Also, you're still here. Yeah, you can just chill for a minute. I may host like a game today in Discord, since I don't want to do it on stream. Since I'm just bored, you know. I feel like I just wanted to live stream and just tell you how the things work. And I also got to share my screen the first time on SteamYard, you know. But I did give out like stuff and all that. I mean, if you guys are pretty happy with this, I will add it. You know, I'll make you happy. I will gain like a possibility to be popular because my game will be. Oh man, yeah, that would be something, all right. We can just only hope that I would gain popularity and it would drive me crazy because, yeah. You guys can chill whenever you want, I don't care. I'll probably play my music. Let me share my screen. You guys can just watch if you want. I'm just gonna play some music just to keep up the hype. Yeah, I go in the stream soon. I just wanted to talk about how my game would work, and also how people can watch this. People can look at this and like look at my game, and yeah, great one. Look like. I forgot I'm sharing my screen. Please don't look at it, please. Oh, I think my thing just lagged. Okay, wait, I'm still streaming. I don't know if this will work, guys. Like, my whole thing will lag like crazy. Oh, and someone said something. Hey, lagging. Yes, I know it lag. It's lagging. The thing is lagging. I know. Just bear with me. I know, like, this Chromebook shouldn't be handling this much. It is an old Chrome. I know. It added 3 streams ending soon in like a matter of seconds. Why? Alright, here we go. There we go. Hold on, let me change the style of this. You guys are still with me, aren't you? Okay, good. I may have to mute my mic so my song doesn't pick up. Yeah, the stream's ending soon. I just wanted to talk about my game, but you can chill if you want.
That's a message. This is the tape I found downstairs.
I believe I have made a significant find in the Kandarian ruins, a volume of ancient Sumerian burial practices and funerary incantations. It is entitled Naturam de Manto, roughly translated Book of the Dead. The book is bound in human flesh and inked in human blood. It deals with demons, demon resurrection, and those forces which roam the forest and dark bowers of man's domain. The first few pages warn that these enduring creatures may lie dormant but are never truly dead. They may be recalled to active life through the incantations presented in this book. It is through recitation of these passages that the demons are given license to possess the living. Atra amistrobi hazarta danis haikandam derosa.
Shut it off. Shut it off.
Okay, so here's the point. I did not know like how audio sharing your screen audio sounds bad. But like microphone on here sounds great with a passion. Like I love it. The audio sounds great on this Chromebook. I mean, the rest of them are bad because you can literally just put your mouth close to the microphone. And yeah, basically it's funny, but yeah, I mean, I had fun. I just made playing my actual song on here, and let you guys just have fun with today. So I'll see you guys later when I release a trailer, and I'll do whatever. So go on Discord, guys. I'll create a stage so where we can play GameKit together because we're gonna be playing some GameKit and answering trivia questions because I love doing that. We're gonna be doing that later today. Join it if you want to. If you want to join the Discord, it's down in our channel link. I'll join it. I will see you all guys later. I'm just gonna mute my microphone and just let you sit here. and play my whole song because I'm bored. Okay, my microphone's not muted, right? Okay, it's not muted. Okay, what's the problem? Oh, okay, yeah, okay. You guys can stay, listen to the song. Since I haven't really chatted about it, you guys can take a listen until I end the stream. So yeah, I'll guys tell you when you're ready. So yeah, so you can be with the game trailer because I would have to create it right before I would send it to its testing phase. You know, I would have to get it ready because that's how creators do it. They'll create the trailer and then they'll release it soon after. So I would have to create one. So you guys basically know what I'm doing. Yeah. So you guys basically know what I'm doing. I would have to create the trailer before I would send it to its testing phase, and then I would have to create another one letting you guys know that hey, like it's in its first beta, come join. And then after that, I would have to make some changes and then get it ready, and then send it to its first beta after the trailer has been done for like a couple of weeks or something like that, and then actually send the first beta release. Now I will let you guys know on the studio server when the beta releases, because that's going to be its first beta. 1.0. You guys are welcome on this. You guys can just listen. I don't care. If anyone else joins, send them this link. Yeah, you can tell them to join this Twitch chat, and I'll tell them about it. Everyone needs to know that I would know about this, and you can send this video to your friends or your family to watch about what I talked about. But basically, yeah, I love chatting about things. Basically, it's my go-to thing. I have ADHD, that's my problem. But hey, it's cool and all. I love chatting about my game. I mean, I've been talking about it for like last year because it was 2024. Come on, guys, bear with me. I did talk about it. I did make stuff for it just to get it ready, and I am keeping my word. I was telling the truth that I was making stuff and getting it ready because did you notice on my music channel? Well, obviously you guys should know, but I had it to where I posted music that said Koramaina Battlefront. Basically, I'm getting everything ready, so you guys didn't really ask me a question if it was ready or not. Yes. So, like, basically what I'm meaning is that, oh, hey, look at this. Yeah, like, you know, everything's working. Like, you know, I've already got my music done. I got the music done for it. I got separate music for it, for, like, the menu, the start menu, because the start menu was the first one I ever made. I will make some more for it, but I would have to get, like, my own custom sound effects. But they're pretty easy. I mean, hey, what is there? What else? Usually some of the songs that I make are made by me, but YouTube likes to make it think that it's not from me. It's usually from them. Like when you do something from like YouTube, they won't believe you until you're like an actual creator or something like that. But yeah, all these songs are mine. I will make if I find out that people are using them for like something, I will find them and sue them because it is my actual game. And if you steal assets from my game or anything from my game, I will sue you because I am the creator of the game. People can sue you for it. Now I may not be big on money and like do all that, but hey, it's worth a try, you know? Like I don't want people taking things from my game because it is from my game.
This is the tape I found.
You guys can listen to the song. I don't care. It's I hit my
I
TV.
believe I have made
This
a
is my
significant
newest
find
rap
in the
song that I
Kandarian
made,
ruins.
or my metal
A
song.
volume of ancient Sumerian burial practices and funerary incantations. It is entitled Naturam de Manto, roughly translated Book of the Dead. The book is bound in human flesh and inked in human blood. It
I
deals
will
with
mute
demons,
like my
demon
mic just for you guys to listen to it.
which roam the forest and dark bowers of man's domain.
But yeah, there will be a lot
The
of
first
things in
few
my game.
pages
I'll
warn
add
that
like
these
certain
hidden
versions,
creatures may
additions.
lie dormant, but are
Basically,
never
because
truly
addition
dead.
and a version are the same
They may
thing
be
you say,
recalled
but they're
back to
just
life
different
with the
versions.
incantations
I
presented
will
in this
have to
book.
make a lot of
It
things.
is
It will be
through
a big project.
recitation
I will still
as
keep
though
this going
the
for you
demons have
guys.
been licensed
I will keep my promise, and I'll see you guys on like in the trailer that I make. Okay? Well, I'll see you all later. I'll be on Discord later. So have fun.